Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm showing you a eyeliner tutorial. I've receiving a lot of questions on how to get the perfect eyeliner, so I thought let me just do a updated tutorial. I've never really used to be good at doing my eyeliner, but through the years I've just become better and better. And I'm just gonna share my biggest tip today with you guys. So the first thing you want to do is prime the eyelids and make sure that your eyes are not oily. So really make sure you use a primer that is long lasting and then set it with some powder so all is just nicely set in place. Now you want to take your favorite eyeliner. Maybe from experience you know like an eyeliner that doesn't transfer onto your eyelids. Just make sure that you use one that is waterproof. So I'm going to start like mapping out the eyeliner, and what you want to do is open your eyes, because if you have hooded eyes, you want your winged liner, like that sharp pointy, the tip of the eyeliner, to be underneath your crease. So that's why I mapped it out with some dots at the beginning. So I know that whenever I'm gonna do the eyeliner, like it's gonna be right underneath where my eyelid naturally folds, if that makes sense. So I know it's not gonna look weird if I open my eyes. So this is my biggest tip. If you have super hooded eyes, like it's not impossible. Just make sure that if you do your wing liner, you open your eyes in between creating the wing liner, just to make sure that it also looks good when you have your eyes open. I personally feel like it's more important that your wing liner looks good with eyes open instead of your eyes closed, because you're not gonna walk around with your eyes closed all the time. So I would just say open your eyes, look straight into the mirror, and just map out where you want your wing liner to be. And then you're gonna follow all the dots and you're gonna create the shape. Now, of course, if you mess up, you can always try it over. Just make sure that you test it out a few times, and the more often you do, the better you're gonna get. Like if you are in a hurry in the morning for your work, like it's gonna be hard practicing. Just maybe on a Saturday, just take your time with this and just take a cotton tip and try over and over again until you get kind of the vibe of how it works best for your eyelid. Every eyelid is different, so what works for me probably doesn't work for you. Like the correct shape that I'm doing, if you try to copy it like on your own eyelids, it might not gonna look the same. So I would say don't do that, but really look at your own eyelids instead. So after the eyeliner, you can of course finish off your eye look or whatever you want to do. I just used some mascara, I used some lashes, and that's all I did for today's video, because I really wanted to talk about the eyeliner for today's video only. But let me know if you have any problems with your eyeliner. You can comment down below and I'm gonna try to answer all of your questions. So don't be afraid to ask me something. If there's like product advice that you want, leave it down in the comment section, and hopefully I'll chat to you in the comment section. Bye bye.